2018 Ford Mustang 5.0 blue. What we got done on it, he brought it in. It's got factory converters, sorry, there and there, brain freeze. Then he had a custom system on it already. It was a 3-inch system, MBRP, 3-inch. So with a factory, with a aftermarket H-pipe, but it's too droney inside because it was straight piped all the way back into those mufflers, or actually those straight piped all the way back into the tips. So we put them 2 glass packs just to quiet it down, tone it down a little bit, right there, as you guys can see. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. We'll have a link in the description for them for you guys. And then it's got the straight pipes with a drone eliminator on each side. That's what you guys see, that little pipe on the side with the little cylinder in it. It's for drone. And it equalizes pressure a little bit. There's the 2 pipes we cut off to put the glass packs in. And it's got 4-inch quad tips there and there. And like always, guys, please subscribe because that keeps us going and keeps the videos coming. We'll let you guys see it in a second. We'll let you guys hear it. Ford Mustang GT 5.0 with an MBRP system and residential. Better?
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Let's see what she thinks. Do you like it? She still, the wife doesn't like it, but it's okay. We'll get her to like it. But he likes it. Do you like it, sir?
Yeah, sure do.
There you go. And you guys can tell from the tag, he's a Vietnam veteran. So he's still a kid at heart. We appreciate his service as always. And God bless our troops. That sounds so much better. It's toned down now.
It's not so hard.
Yeah, it takes the raspiness away. It just gives it that deep tone. MBRP. Again. That's a nice tone, actually. I like it. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Mustang GT 5.0 with an MBRP system. And it's a 6-speed, which makes it even better. Get on it! Get on it! Thank him for his service. He's a Vietnam vet too. We appreciate his service. Beast mode, he deserves that.